Okay. Now we need to come outside here. So skip if module can't fit. And we just go if module has room equals 0, continue. Cool. Now the last step is to actually just check our random weight and see if we should place our module. So if, then a random value, and our seed will be index plus seed plus put in just a number just to make sure this is different. We really only have the one seed in here, but still good habit to get into. Now we'll get our weights for our current module. So if it's that, set a point attribute, 0.0, the name, panel ID, point number is our index, the value is our module, and the mode is just to set. So if that was successful, we need to ensure these have weights. So if it's successful, we want to reset our module back to its base value. So sprint f w base %d module. And then we also need to go through and delete any extra points. So I'm going to steal this little chunk here. Okay. So, again, looping over all the extra points that our module will cover. So let's store the index of our point we're currently looping over. So that is going to be equal to index plus x plus module scale dot y. Oops, sorry, module scale x modules times y. Now, look up that point. So loop index and set that to 1, which is meaning it's now occupied. And we also want to go if our loop index doesn't equal our base index, we need to remove the point, because we only want this module assigned to a single point, so when it's instanced it will only take that point. and any extra points it's overlapping will just be deleted. Okay, now we need to come down to here. That is the right one, isn't it? Yep. Else, and that will be weights module plus equal. Let's copy that real quick and change that to growth. So that's our incrementing growth amount. Okay. Do feel like I might have an extra thing in here, bracket, but let's copy this whole thing into here and see if we have any errors. Okay, got a couple. So let's see why it's not working. Okay, I did not change these to int arrays. That means that should also be an int. Cool, there we go. When you're copying from Sublime Text, sometimes it won't do the best job at copying the indentation, but it shouldn't matter too much. You can also chuck an I in there if you want it to stop with the green squiggly line, but it doesn't really matter. Cool. And that is our code. When we get the rest set up, we'll test and make sure this is all working 100%, but hopefully it should be.